Isa ka din ba sa mga nabudol ng mga skincare brands? Then all of a sudden, pagkabili mo ng product nila ay hindi din pala sila effective? Well, I believe that effectivity comes in different ways sa iba't ibang tao. So, pwedeng effective sa'yo, pwede namang hindi effective sa akin. So, yes, isa din naman ako sa mga nabudol nitong mga skincare brands na to. So, may nakita kasi akong isang post that says na hanggang kailan ba daw tayo magpapabudol kasi hindi naman effective yung mga soaps nila. At yumayaman lang daw talaga sila sa atin. Well, bakit ba talaga tayo nabubudol ng mga business owners na to? Una sa lahat, they want to expand their marketing reach. That's it. So, they got into social media, they got into the digital space just so they can reach us better. Number 2, well, business is business. They are here because they see a problem sa atin and they're just here to solve that problem. Because they see that we need this and they try to convince us to buy through their videos or through their social media posts or even through their ads. Syempre, nasa negosyo sila. Definitely, gagawin nila ang lahat just so mabudol tayo. And number 3, of course, ang pinakahuli sa lahat is they want to increase their sales and revenue. In short, pera po. That's where marketing firms like us get in sa business nila and we help them to make sales and revenue. All because nasa mundo po tayo ng business. But here are some of the reasons kung bakit talaga tayo nabubudol. First is, gumagamit sila ng mga strategies that make us buy their products. First is, they do the scarcity effect, wherein they say that it is limited and konti lang yung stocks. So, syempre, isipin natin na paubusan siya kaya kailangan natin bumili ngayon. Next, of course, is urgency. Ito yung time na nakikita natin na may mga flash sales o kaya may mga timers. Sikat ito sa mga platforms like yung sa Orange app kasi meron silang mga nakalagay na timers doon. Next reason bakit tayo nabubudol, syempre through targeted ads. Whenever we scroll something on social media and then we stay so long on that content, that gives the platform a signal na isa tayo sa mga interested dun sa ads na yon or sa produkto na yon. So that's why nakikita natin itong mga ads na to. So it makes us feel like we need that product whenever we see that. Number 4, isa sa mga tina-target namin as marketing firms is yung emotions ng mga tao. So we'll build strong connections with the audience. That's why people buy to the brands na hinahawakan namin. Number 5, isa sa mga reason bakit tayo nabubudol through impulse purchase. So because we were able to tap on your emotions, mas napupush naman tayo to buy a product even though hindi naman talaga natin siya need. And bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng impulse purchase? Isa sa mga reason kasi we are curious about the product, we've seen it a million times on our feed, so we wanna try it ourselves. And of course, instant gratification. This is very common and medyo guilty ako dito. Isa din naman ako sa mga taong na nagsasabi na deserve ko to. That's why meron tayong mga double-digit sale kasi this is the time that we feel so exhausted for the last month and then once nakita natin yung double-digit sale nitong mga brands na to, we get to buy from them because we believe that we deserve it. So, kung isa ka sa mga katulad ko na bumibili at nabubudol nitong mga skincare brands na to, there's nothing wrong with that as long as you see the quality on that product. I believe that for us to be able to know what is effective sa atin or hindi, we have to do trial and error. It's just that nakakalungkot lang minsan that because of business, a lot of people are rebranding skincare products everywhere. Alam mo yun, magkaiba lang talaga sila ng pangalan or ng brand, pero same formulation pa din. And tayo as customers ay nahihirapan na which one talaga yung pagkakatiwalaan. So, my tip would be, always buy dun sa mga quality products. And you will know naman talaga if quality yung produkto o hindi. Kasi, isa sa mga reason yan is, mas mahal siya compared doon sa ibang produkto. So, sana wag tayo mabudol dun sa mga low quality at mura ng mga produkto because we still need to take care of ourselves. Mas mahal pa rin talaga yung gagamutin tayo ng mga dermatologist. Prevention is better than cure. So, go for quality products. And sana mas maraming mga skincare brands online ang maglalabas ng quality products. Kasi honestly, mas madali para sa mga marketing firms like us or sa mga marketers like us to market brands na merong mga quality products. And that's it. Bye!